Welcome to a tutorial on viewing your real-time subscriber count, or the real-time count of any YouTube channel you want. Let's begin. On my web browser, make a Google search for Social Blade, and click on socialblade.com. In the search bar at the top right, you can search for any YouTube channel. I'll use this as an example. On the YouTubers page, click on Live Subscriber Count. You can now watch a real-time view of subscribers. Whenever a new subscriber comes in, it will show it. Same if they lose a subscriber. I'll now go onto my own channel and try it again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more videos like this.